Thanks for checking out this AWeber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. In this super quick video, I just want to show you some of AWeber's email template, helping you design and create emails without having to be a designer yourself. Whenever you use AWeber's drag and drop email builder, you'll see a default template. You can just start typing right in here, or even dragging elements to build your own custom design. If you're looking for something a little bit more pre-built, our template library is available on the right-hand side. Now I want to point out, you see this keep my message content. If that is checked, any content you added to your template is going to be added to whatever new template you add. If you uncheck this, any new template you load will start with just some brand new default content. So if we choose a template here, this is a great one if you're running a blog or just want to keep subscribers up to date on certain things. We have templates that are great for e-commerce with built-in buttons and sections so you can sell multiple products. And especially colorful templates to help you really create some eye-catching designs. Don't forget, you can save any template that you create in AWeber as your own template, so you can reuse that, keeping your brand consistent email to email. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in AWeber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.